Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Jonni, your local San Diego realtor. We have a beautiful, luxurious, modern home today. It has breathtaking views, a multi-generational dream in La Mesa Hills. Welcome to this unparalleled living experience in this exquisite and modern La Mesa Hills residence. This chic, multi-generational family home offers 5,600 square feet of sophisticated design and functionality with stunning views of Point Loma, the ocean, and downtown San Diego. This property has 5 bedrooms and 4 baths, spacious and elegantly appointed, perfectly beautiful for a large family of those seeking extra room for guests. A spectacular views throughout the home. Entry level features a 3-car garage with a built-in elevator shaft not installed. However, it does provide ample parking and storage options. The second floor, this floor serves as the heart of the home, offering a giant entertainment room and a spacious bedroom, a living room, formal dining, and a generous kitchen and kitchenette, and a family room with a beautiful fireplace. 2 full bathrooms add convenience and style. The third level dedicated to privacy and comfort. This level includes 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Come out today to our open house happening between 12 and 4 p.m. and experience this beautiful property here in La Mesa. Or you may reach out to us at 619-928-28